I'll do my hair red and then I'll cut it all off. So I'm gonna be using directions, but I usually use bleach. I'm gonna be putting this on my money makers, I guess. You can tell this hair is ready to go. It's like ratchet. Yeah, I'm so sorry about this. Here we go. Honestly, this fuchsia is not quite there with the colour. This is in all the possible languages except English. What? Okay, let's read the Spanish then. Oh, it says you have to wash your hair. Well, no, I guess. Wow, that's very red. So yeah, this hair was kind of cute. You saw me cut my bangs. I cut bangs. I don't know, I'm not too mad about them. I would say this was peak, and now it's just like, I would otherwise never do my hair red because it always takes ages to wash out. Okay guys, it's time for this to go. This set actually looks so pretty. And the back doesn't even look patchy at all, I think. If I can see.
You seem to have good times.
Good times with her.
Good times.
Wait, give me my Slytherin. Slytherin scrunchie. It's cool because it's red. But it's actually pink. So I've got my hair inspo here, kind of. It's a good thing that all my hair is inspired by my male character in the video game. What a great time!
Oh, nice braids.
Thank you.
It's quite cute actually.
Yeah.
I will.
My grandma always used to just like use them every single day on my hair. I was like screaming in agony. Okay, I've never used these before. I actually watched a Brad Mondo video on how to do this. He talks about different numbers for this thing.
Yeah.
What?
It's a setting.
What is this one at?
Is that?
Oh, it's that. I think he mentioned 6 or 4. What did we do when we shaved the underneath?
I think it was 5.
Let's go with a 5. Actually, it doesn't matter right now because I'm just gonna cut this off first. Okay.
You definitely don't want to do that with scissors?
I don't know, Brad Mondo did it with the thing. I'm gonna do it. Ooh! Oh, it hurts. Oh, I didn't imagine it would hurt.
Nikki, try taking the black cap off and just doing the bare razor.
Ooh. Okay, okay. Like that?
Yeah.
Ah! Here he comes! Here he comes! Okay. Oh, look. Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite cute actually.
Oh, so this is the style. Subscribe.
Nice, you got it long at the back like it's a mullet.
This is when I bust out the kitchen scissors. Wow. Okay, I said to myself, I'm not gonna say this in the video, but I really want to make paintbrushes with this. I won't, but I want to.
Why not?
I don't know, it just sounds a bit psycho. Oh my god, this is cute. Okay, I look like I came out of Blade Runner right now.
Victoria says that haircut reminds me of all the cool chicks in spy movies that wear sleek trench coats and save the world.
Yeah! As the girl with the pink hair.
Oh, is it Lazy Town?
Lazy
The girl
Town!
from Lazy Town.
Let me just think about it. Okay. Oh yeah. Brad Mondo says, on the head and off the head, on the head and off the head, on the head and off the head, on the head, on the head and off the head, on the head and off the head. Oh, on the head and off the head. A lot of hair.
Can I make suggest?
Yeah.
Turn it around. Yeah, like that.
Is that how? Oh. Okay, I think I need to watch that video again now. Really, this doesn't look right. Is it way too short in this?
The idea is it can't be too short, you just do it against the skin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I can so hear some people complaining about all of this.
You don't know what they're talking about.
The head on there.
What does that mean?
It just means that you go on and then you go off, so that you form this kind of like slope. I've literally never had short hair before. It really happened much faster for that mannequin than for me. Once and for all, yeah. Whose hair is darker? I think it's chill. I think it's good to go. Oh, unless we want to do like a little zero. Okay, thanks. This is perfect.
Who are you thanking, me or Brad Mondo?
Brad Mondo.
I thought so.
Wow.
All of that texture, really styled it in place, added a little bit of movement in the front. You don't want it to be too perfect. I don't like that whole like. Then you're gonna bring it back into your next section and cut at.
I think this is what he's saying. And then take the guide. Ah!
Hey, short hair, Nikki.
I have short hair.
You have short hair.
Well, I can't cut it at the back. I've just given up on that.
You want some help?
Yeah, I need some help.
Okay.
I mean, it was meant to be probably shorter than it is. So, do whatever.
KE boys everywhere.
Carry on. Oh, you make it even shorter. Yeah, you know what?
Okay.
And then cut down.
Yeah, I think I want to take it like the tiniest bit of
Sure,
pink.
go ahead.
Yeah, I think it needs to be like the length that I was doing it at the short and at the longer.
Like this, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I have a feeling we fucked up.
No. Yeah, okay. I'm liking that.
Really? And now, oh my god, I feel like we fucked up. So where should this get cut off in your opinion?
So like we're taking this back and it's like, surely that's too long.
Like that?
Yeah, try that.
Really?
Yeah, I think it should be like short. It was too much.
Oh no, we fucked up. Are you saying this should be like cut like hair? And then this puffy thing?
Yeah, that's like the side of your head. Right, that's how short he's doing it here.
Well, on himself. I was looking at a mannequin. I wanted to look like the mannequin. Here. How's that?
Not bad, but I can neaten it up.
Okay. It feels like I'm imagining all of this. It feels like a dream. Also, we've been here for about 5 hours now, so...
Do you expect this to be a shortness?
No, I don't know.
Yeah.
That's the one. Jesus, that's...
I saw that all happen.
Everyone saw it. Am I doing a good job?
Yeah,
kind
you are.
of.
And now do the same, like,
Surprisingly.
here. I wonder if you should take all the pigments off.
I wonder if not.
I wonder if, like, some hair needs to come off at the back. Like...
How is it?
There. Can I do a little snip at the back?
Go ahead. She is not me, but I would. It's too long for you. You want me to get a buzz cut? Oh, it feels so weird. It feels like I have extensions. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Come back, subscribe, leave a comment. We're gonna be doing this for another 2 hours. Bye! Thanks, Alex.
No problem.